Hey yo, what's up guys? Back with a Splitgate 2 video. I think I'm just gonna play the arena quick play. Yeah, let's get into it. I've maxed out the tempo, what the hell? Oh yeah guys, thank you for 50 subscribers. I think we're already at like 54 or something. Now we're gonna go for 100, that means a lot, so thank you guys. Oh shit. Yep. Yeah, let's go plant these, bro. Oh shit. Come on, gun. We'll take this out for show. Oh man, bro, I've lost track of what was going on there, bro. I just went in swinging. Nah, he's low. Oh shit. Lock in. Let's go. Took the W on that round. Alright, bro. Oh man, I'm not locked in, I'll be real. Honestly, sure, I'll equip that. Oh shit. What the hell, dude? Bro, this ain't good. Bro, I'm actually like, I'm gonna go negative. And this ain't good. Nice, okay, now I'm in it, now I'm in it. Yup. I'm back in it now. Oh shit. Let me go over here. Yeah, I'm about to pick this up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's freaking go, dude. I'm going with Eros again. Yeah. I'll play Meridian in like the next video though, for sure. Bro, it's every time, bro. I just suck with the 1v1s right now. Plant. What? Nah, this ain't looking good. I'll be honest. Plant. Oh shit. No way. Okay, that was insane, I'll be honest. Yep. No, he's so low. Yes, team. Bro, this is crazy. Come on. Lock in. Lock in. Nah. Yup. One more. Yeah! Let's go! Let's freaking go, dude. Yeah, I didn't do too good. I mean, honestly, I didn't do too bad either, but could have done better there. But still, that was a good one, dude. I don't think we got any challenges done, but bro, that's for another video. Anyways, guys, thank you for 50 subscribers. You know, it took us a while, but you know, we finally got there. You know, let's go for 100 now. So let's go for 100, and then after that, shit, why not like 1,000 or something? You know. I'll see you in the next one, and thank you for watching. Peace.